Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. Today's video is on how to make Crumbl Clone pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. The link to this recipe is in the description box below. In the video, we will show you the process of how to make them. First, mix together your dry ingredients and set them aside. Next, put your oil, brown sugar, and white sugar in a different mixing bowl. When they are well mixed, then add your egg, vanilla, and pumpkin puree. When those are well mixed, then add the dry ingredients. After all of these things are mixed, add your chocolate chips. Use a 1/3 cup of dough for each cookie and put them on a cookie sheet that's been covered with parchment paper. I usually put 6 cookies on each cookie sheet. Bake these at 350 degrees for 15 to 18 minutes. When they are done, let them cool on the cookie sheet for about 10 to 15 minutes while you use a different cookie sheet to bake more cookies. I trade off with 2 cookie sheets, having one cook while one cools. After they have cooled on the cookie sheet, transfer them to a cooling rack to finish cooling. It is amazing how many cookies you can make for the cost of only one Crumbl cookie. It takes a little effort on your part, but it is so worth it. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos like this.